I'm going to be making some modifications to my airplane. I'm going to give it a stronger landing gear. I'm going to attach a servo so it can open the cargo bay door. So yeah, I'm going to start doing that now. Okay, so here's the cargo bay door opening mechanism. There we go.
Ain't nothing's gonna hold me down. Tired of the static noise. Think it's time to make a choice. Let go of the old me now. Fighting all the monsters hiding under my skin. They try to kill my confidence, but I'm still standing.
Okay, so I've strengthened my landing gear by attaching it onto the corner of this box.
I go near this corner.
Corners.
Which is acting as the cargo bay, and this strengthens it quite a bit. I was gonna call it a day, but because I'm very impatient, I decided to continue with the tests. For a while, I was feeling like I created a weed whacker with wings, but after a few failed attempts, this happened. We're gonna head to the field now to try and fly this thing. I'll mount the GoPro on it so I'll have some cool onboard footage of it either crashing or flying.
I just wanna be victorious. Doesn't matter what my story is. Even when the darkness shines, I'm not gonna lose this fight. I just wanna be victorious. Fire in the flames, it's glorious. Even when the darkness goes, I'm not gonna lose it all. I just wanna be victorious. Victorious.
So the airplane worked. Today's the day I re-attempt dropping a windup car from the airplane. Ooh. That did not work. There's just way too much wind, and I also broke the tail. So yeah, I'm gonna start working on that now. Alright, so I've completed my modifications on the airplane. I strengthened the landing gear some, added new wing braces, and the top wing is attached much more strongly on this time.
So pull the cord, I'm back to life. The switch is tripping in my head. So pull the cord, it's paradise. The switch is tripping in my head. Pull it out. You're not the same now. Pull it out. You're not the same now. Pull the cord. Back to life. The switch is tripping in my head. So pull the cord, it's paradise. The switch is tripping in my head. Pull it out. You're not the same now. Pull it out. You're not the same now.
Oh shoot. Well, I think that's a wrap for the airplane. Oh yeah, I think that's a wrap. See ya.